In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Notion for free. Notion is a versatile productivity app that's gaining popularity for its customizable note-taking and project management features. Whether you're looking to organize personal projects, collaborate with a team, or create dynamic databases, getting started with Notion may seem a little overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the essentials of learning Notion without spending a dime. First, let's kick things off by heading over to Notion's official help center and guides. This is the perfect starting point to grasp the foundational concepts of Notion. Here, you'll find a comprehensive collection of tutorials and guides designed to introduce you to the core functionalities. Begin with mastering the basics. Learn how to create pages, format text, and understand the powerful utility of databases. These are essential skills that will form the backbone of all your work within Notion. The Help Center also offers detailed explanations on how to share workspaces effectively. This is especially useful if you plan to collaborate with others, as it helps avoid common missteps and facilitates seamless communication. As you become more familiar with these basics, explore the extensive library of templates. These ready-to-use templates are like a treasure trove of possibilities, offering solutions for various needs, be it project management, personal planning, or content creation. Using templates is a great way to understand how Notion's flexibility can be adapted to suit your specific needs without starting from scratch every time. Moving on, if Notion AI is available to you, make sure to check it out. It's a feature that can significantly enhance your workflow by automating recurring tasks and suggesting improvements. It might not be available to everyone just yet, but if you find it in your settings, it's definitely worth exploring, as it can save a lot of time and effort. One of the underrated gems within Notion are the automations. Automations can tremendously improve your efficiency by streamlining repetitive processes. Familiarize yourself with these to ensure that repetitive tasks become a thing of the past. The Help Center provides specific guides on setting these up, so make good use of it. All the resources I just mentioned are freely accessible, making them invaluable for anyone looking to really understand Notion without any financial commitment. With patience and practice, you will quickly find yourself navigating Notion like a pro. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful in beginning your journey with Notion. Remember, the key is to explore, experiment, and not be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. See you in the next video.